Having a modern kitchen interior design is the dream of many housewives. They want to have a simple and functional kitchen. For most people, cooking is, of course, one of the most enjoyable activities, and to support this activity, adequate facilities are needed. Starting from the latest and complete cooking utensils, to the best kitchen interior concepts, basically, the main function of the kitchen is to process food. However, we can design the kitchen in such a way that it becomes a multifunctional space. The modern kitchen design offers a comfortable and functional kitchen atmosphere, and facilitates daily activities. Meanwhile, the home sanitation system, sanitary, at home is crucial to meet the daily needs of clean water. This equipment is the most important part for the daily kitchen routine, because of its function in regulating water sources. APR is currently developing very innovatively. From smart fridges that can show you what's inside without opening the door, motion-sensitive faucets can be turned on or off instead of turning a knob. In addition, now multipurpose equipment must be at the top of the list when thinking about what is needed to complete the kitchen equipment that you must have. They help you save space in the kitchen while reducing the number of items you may need to throw away once needs change. Talking about the need for modern kitchen equipment, this should be the main reason you choose one item and give up another. Modern kitchen design acts as a calm backdrop to busy kitchen commotion. A modern kitchen design typically consists of open spaces, minimalist features, and simple color palettes, offering a clutter-free space to relax and entertain. The term modern encompasses everything that's sleek and streamlined. If that appeals to you, keep reading. In this article, we're going to explore all the defining characteristics of a modern kitchen design. Typically, modern kitchens are open-concept places with tall ceilings, long countertops, and cleverly designed storage solutions that mitigate any signs of clutter. Further, modern kitchen design typically features reflective materials that look their best when exposed to natural lighting. Modern kitchen designs have open floor plans stretching the entire length of the kitchen layout. They sometimes have distinct zone divisions, which are subtly defined by changes in color or materials. This minimalistic approach to layout is what achieves a simple and elegant look. Modern kitchen doors are typically flat panels achieving a horizontal line. Such simplicity is meant to increase the appearance of open space and enhance the uncluttered look of the room. Hopefully this video is useful. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you.